Well, I guess you could call this soybean update 3. We got rain. Finally. These were planted May 23rd and today is June the 20th. In that time frame, these beans up until Wednesday, today is Saturday, these have been in the ground a month today. Till today, they maybe have had 3/10 over the last 5-6 weeks, and in the last 3 days with Tropical Storm Bill giving us rain now, we've probably got 3 inches. So the beans are actually have jumped, I guess you could say, up a little bit in the last couple of days. There's beans here that are just coming out of the ground, believe that or not. Water standing, which it hasn't done for quite some time. So they're doing pretty good. All things considered, I mean, it's hard on anything to go that long without rain. But they're looking a lot better. A whole lot better. Unlike the neighbors, they planted theirs end of April. Get down here and give you a look at them. They planted theirs the end of April. They went through a week in the ground where it was only where it went down in the 40s at night, and as you can see, they're not in real good shape. 15-inch rows are planted diagonally on the field, but they don't look too good, and they've been in the ground at least 3 weeks a month longer than mine have, and they're no bigger. So I guess they're doing pretty good. Back over here. Yeah, I'm happy. They're getting rain. I hope they grow and they do good for the rest of the year. Sure glad to see the rain, I know that. Any rate, if you like or even dislike, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I hope they still keep going good. Well, we'll see you next time.